So guys, nandito pala tayo ngayon sa Dubrovnik, Croatia. And yan, nandito kami ngayon sa bus. Papunta kami ngayon sa downtown. And by the way, itong Dubrovnik is the home of Game of Thrones. Alright. So nandito yung mga tropa. Pakita natin. Dapat sama sila.
Hello vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Merci à vous.
30 each. Yeah, 30 each, but they don't show you the nicest getting big here. Ay.
Where are they now? Oh my goodness. This is like a castle or what? Oh, too much people, man. Huh? Too much people. So it's like old castle ata to guys. Grabe. Daming tao, puro turista. Ayan pre, picturean mo yan. Yung Dubrovnik.
With him?
Yeah, we can have a photo with him. So ayan guys, makikita nyo yung structure niya is talagang old castle. Yung lugar na to is, and dito rin nag-shoot yung sa Game of Thrones. Ito talaga yung place ng Game of Thrones actually. So ayan, marami ring mga tourists, no? Men dito talaga lahat. Ganda. Pero yun nga, sa sobrang dami ng mga tourists, parang medyo magulo. So nandito pa lang kami sa lower part. Later on we'll go up there. Let's see kung anong meron dito. So ayan, nandito na talaga tayo sa site na kung saan nag-shoot yung Game of Thrones, no? Sige. Pala. Sige. Saan yung saan yung mga shots? Oo.